welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a review and a demo of the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Body Lava in the color Who Needs Clothes. As you can see, I am glistening, I am glowing, I am like a glazed donut from Krispy Kreme, and I want you guys to get into this look, okay? So anyway, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can use this product. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. This is what the packaging looks like. Really pretty, really nice. On the side it says Silky Sublime Shimmer Dewy Ultra Lit Finish. They didn't have the brown sugar available in store, but I did want to go ahead and get this video out for you guys so you could see if this is something that could work on somebody with my complexion or if you just like the product overall. So let's just go ahead and unbox it right now. It feels really heavy. Ooh, and this is what it looks like. That looks beautiful. It looks like it's heavy. It's heavy. It feels sturdy, it feels substantial, it's glass, and it has obviously the Fenty Beauty logo on the front of it, and it's a little bit raised. It's got this sort of copper rose gold top. I love the packaging of this. It retails for $59, I believe, although there is a package deal on the Fenty Beauty website. I'm actually a little bummed that they didn't have the brown sugar in store, and from what I understand, it's never going to be stocked in store. You are going to have to order it online if you really want it. But for today, we're going to be working with this one, and I'm going to show you 5 different ways to use it because for $59, you know, you need to get the best bang for your buck, you feel me? So I'm going to use this as a primer, as an illuminator for underneath my foundation. I'm going to show you the difference between one side that's illuminated and another side that has not been illuminated. So let's go ahead and shake this up. Vanilla has a scent, very light, not overpowering at all. So I'm just going to place this on the right side of my face. I know some people like to do oils before their foundation. I'm not really one of those people, but I've never really tried it. I just don't like the idea of putting oils on my skin because I do have combination oily skin. But I've heard that putting oil on your skin doesn't necessarily make you more oily because it might stop your skin from overproducing oils because you're already hydrated with the oils, if that makes sense. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 450 and blending it out with an e.l.f. brush. I feel like this definitely makes the foundation a little bit more dewy, and that's actually a really great idea if you don't like your foundations too mattifying. You can place this underneath your foundation and it'll give it more of a dewy, luminous kind of vibe. And I'm gonna do the other side of my face so that we can compare. I know that of course once I powder down everything, it's gonna kind of look similar, but I wanna see what it looks like at this stage. It is a totally different vibe blending it out. It is not as slippery. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the side right here with the Body Lava, and this is the side where I didn't use any of that. So this has more of a matte finish. This is a little bit more luminous. I think this could take the place of like those Farsali oils. It's dewy, it's also sticky, so it could work as a primer and sort of attach the foundation to it and to your face as well. So I think that's pretty cool. Now, first impressions right off the bat, it's kind of a sheer thing. It's not as opaque like some other products that I've used, and I know that that's purposeful. That was a choice that they made. It's just something that I want to go ahead and point out. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and just sort of rub it in so you guys can see what happens. It's going to give you that glow, don't get me wrong, but it's not about providing coverage. It's about sort of illuminating and sort of having that glow from within. So, I mean, look at the difference. It's moisturizing. It has not necessarily oily. I mean, it's kind of a little bit oily, but not like, but not greasy. I wonder if that makes sense. Anyway, so this is what we're looking like. So it's definitely going to give you that sheen. Yeah, it's more of a sheen as opposed to like coverage, and I kind of like that about it. I'm going to go ahead and finish my face so I can show you some other ways to use the product. All right, so I went ahead and did the rest of my base off camera, and now I'm going to show you a second way that you can use this body luminizer. So to kick things off, I'm going to apply a shimmer to my lid. I'm going to go in with Senegal from the Saharan palette. I'm just going to take it on my finger. You don't need a whole lot, and just place it on the lid and blend it out with your finger. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the body luminizer. Just take a little bit on the back of your hand, and then we are going to pat that on the lid, and that's gonna give us that glossy eyelid look that is so trendy. It's very high fashion, you know what I mean? And then you just pack it on. But there you have it. It just gives you a little bit of a sheen, a little bit of a glimmer. You know, it gives you that glossy look. I'm putting a fairly good amount on here. I would say that maybe you want to do your lashes first, but we're going to see how it works out doing it this way. And just pack it on. Don't swipe, just pat. And there you have it, a nice glossy eye look. You know, I think this is super cute. I think it definitely delivers on the sort of editorial glossy lid. I know that glossy lids aren't the most wearable, but I think they're super cute, and this is a great way to achieve it in one go. You actually don't even need to apply the shimmer before. I just wanted to make sure that it really popped, so that's why I went ahead and did that. All right, so the eyes are done. They're glossy, they're luminous, everything's looking really good. I went ahead and put some of the Sokoto color on my lower lash line, and then I popped some Zoya in my inner eye corner just to finish the look. Now for the third way that you can use the luminizer, we're gonna go ahead and highlight our face, but we're gonna start by putting a base of powder first. This is the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collaboration in La Peach. You guys know this is like my new fave. Whoop! This is the kind of product that you can layer over powder, but I would definitely not put powder over. I just don't think it makes sense. Again, you just want to take a little bit of it on the back of your hand, rub it around, share it out, and then you're going to pat it on the high points of your cheekbones. This is a dewy look, you guys, okay? This is not matte. The whole point of this is to do it up and to glow it up. And you are just patting this into your skin very gently. You don't want to disturb the work that you did underneath, but it is going to give you that, you see, that wet look, and I think that's super cute. You could use a beauty blender if you want, but I feel like I have a little bit more control with my finger. So there you have it. That is another way to use the product. This product is all about the glow. It's all about illuminating your body, your face, your features. So this is the way that I would use it. Ooh, look at that sheen. So pretty. So if I'm being honest, this body luminizer really reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I know that the undertones are slightly different. This is a little bit more pinker. This is a little bit more golden. So as you can guess, we are going to be using it as a lip gloss. I'm first going to line my lips with the Jordana lip liner in the color Mulberry Cream. I'm going to apply just a little bit of the NYX Butter Gloss for some coverage. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. Again, just take a little bit on your finger and just pat it onto your lip. And look at that shimmer! Look at that glow! And I'm just rubbing it into my lip, blending it into my lip liner. And it just adds a little bit of glitter, a little bit of sheen, a little bit of, you know, pizzazz to whatever lip color you have underneath. I'm taking a little bit more because I really like that shimmer. It feels like a lip gloss, it performs like a lip gloss, it looks like a lip gloss. I think it looks great. So for the last way to use this product, you probably already guessed it. We have not actually used this product the way that it's advertised. It is a body luminizer. So you want to put it on your body. You want to, you know, glow when you're wearing something glow, when you're wearing something off the shoulders. So that's what we're going to be using now. Now I didn't pick up the brush because, you know, like, it's cute, but I could totally do without it. So I'm now gonna apply this to my body. I'm just gonna use my hands to rub it into my skin, into my shoulders. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I pulled my shirt down a little bit. I'm actually just gonna apply this all over my chest region. I'm taking about 3 pumps of that, and I'm just gonna go in. Going in with my hand, I'm just applying it like I would any sort of shimmer lotion. And just seeing how that performs. It's very hydrating, it smells divine, and it's going into my skin so beautifully. Gonna rub the leftover into my hands. Shoot, we can have glowy hands too. Ooh, my hands feel really moisturized. My chest is looking like a glazed donut. My cheeks, my eyes. Do a little bit more. So there you have it, guys. I've shown you 5 different ways to use the Body Luminizer Body Lava from Fenty Beauty in the shade Who Needs Clothes. You can use it on your eyes, your lips, your cheeks, your body. You can use it as a base, as an oil for your foundation. You can use that to sheer it out. You can use it to make your foundation a little bit more luminous. So overall, yeah, I really enjoyed using this product. I can't wait to get the brown sugar one in the mail. I think this is going to be perfect for summer with our crop tops and our off the shoulders and our halter tops. It's really meant to give you that wet, sheeny, glowy from within look. So I'm really happy with it, because sometimes with the products that have a lot of coverage, it can actually change the color of other products that you layer on top of it. This just enhances it. All right, my loves, this is the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe if you were not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a marvelous day. But like, look at the way my body is glistening, guys. Look at it. Like, I'm so...
I don't know what's gonna happen to you.